Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Box, and what you tend to read on a lot of people's art videos in the comments section is I can't even draw a stick figure, and it seems to crop up a lot. So I thought today I could show you how to draw a stick figure. Or this is my way of drawing a stick figure, and I do a lot of stick figures for my comic because the stick figures in my webcomic represent the people in my head. So I have this pack of Spectrum Noir. I recommend these pens a lot, they are awesome, I love them. And I have picked out the number 3. So basically it's a stick figure, so you can start with the head and draw a circle. Now if you're really that bothered about getting it perfectly circular, you can use a coin or anything round to draw around, or anything that's round for a stencil. But to be honest, you don't really, drawing a stick figure, you're not going to be making Leonardo da Vinci, so it doesn't really matter. So let's draw his head first. So that's not round, you can have a few goes at it if you want. Right, we've had a few goes at drawing the head. There, let's pick that one. Now you can either go in with your expression and then cater the body around the expression, or you could just start with do the body. So let's just do the body first. 1, and then go down to the crotch, split off, foot, split off, foot. You don't worry about doing any detail at all. Arms, then the hand is just a line. So this is the general man spreading stick figure, and then you can add a face. I usually don't put any noses in. So that's how you draw a stick figure. And so let's try and draw it with a bit of personality now. So we have a worried stick figure. And he's thinking, and he's got his hand on his hip and he's like, And now we can have perhaps a confident stick figure. Don't worry if it goes a bit wrong, because it's just a stick figure, it doesn't matter. Look, it's a bit cocky. Then you could start with the torso area if you want to. that's it. It's basically just a circle, then a face, then you can add some moving lines. So this is how I draw my stick figures. It's really easy. Because you're not worried about proportions or bends or whatever, just forget about proportions or bends. Just go for personality. And add some more 3D lips if you want. And if you want to put the head down, just move down the mouth. And then put the arms coming from under the head to denote that he's slouching and not very happy. And sometimes I forget how to do stick figure, but just go with it. Then you could have these as stick figures. Yawning. So you can start with the expression and then figure out how you want it to stand. So that's how you can draw stick figures and start getting a bit of fun and expression into your drawing. What I suggest is don't worry about rules. Don't worry about whether you're getting it right. Don't stress. Just have fun and just play about a bit. That's the best way to start learning to draw, is just go for fun over. Because if you start worrying about, I need to get this right, then you'll just stress yourself out and you won't have fun. So fun and just letting go and not really caring what what it looks like to start with, and then you can start practicing and start exploring other artists, how they do it. But to start with, just have a go at making something with personality. Doesn't matter how long its limbs are, how long its legs are, or whatever. Just give it a personality, and then you'll get going and feel emotionally connected to what you're drawing then. Because when I draw, my expression tends to replicate the expression that I'm wanting to draw. So just start with a personality and then just do what you like. If you want me to do more drawing videos, please let me know. If you want me to draw anything specifically on camera, then I'll have a go. I don't usually draw in front of people, so this is kind of a new thing to me. So hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching.